Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northeastern Howard County in central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 8 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in central Howard County. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 inches are possible in the next hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that may experience flooding include Baltimore, Columbia, Pikesville, Ellicott City, Keatonsville, Woodlawn, Milford Mill, Lockern, Ilcester, Oella, and Daniels. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.